channel. I know it's been like a week. I missed you guys so much. I needed to take time. I was not sleeping. Anxiety is real, so is mental health, but I needed a breather. I needed to collect myself, get myself together, and hey, I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. So anyway, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a Fashom unboxing. What's Fashom, you may ask? Well, great question. I'll tell you in just a second. Okay, so the way Fashom works, guys, is it's a subscription box, but it doesn't come like on a monthly, quarterly, annually, bi-monthly, whatever you want to say. There is not a scheduled time frame it comes. This box is up to you. It is a clothing subscription box. Now, they did send this to me for review, so I am going to put that out to you as a disclaimer in case that affects your opinion whatsoever, because me, if I'm watching a YouTuber, I want to know that up front. So I'm telling you, they did send this to me for review. However, I promise that I will always give my honest opinion no matter what. They do not pay me. They do not say, oh, you have to say something nice. No, they just say, can we send you this? And you give us a review. So here's my review. I'm living up to what my agreement is, and I'm presenting it to you guys. So I'm excited because I have never done a clothing subscription. So this is going to be my first time trying one. And if I love it, I'm just going to stick with it. Okay, so the way it works is there's an app for Fashom. So you would download the app. When you download it, you build yourself a profile. So it'll ask you questions like, okay, look at these pictures and tell us which ones are more your style. Which outfits would you more so like? Once you go through the styling profile, which is very easy, it's a seamless process, then it's going to ask you, okay, please tell your stylist what you're looking for. Okay, so then you're going to say, hey, I am going, let's say, on a cruise, right? You can tell them the event. So you can say, I'm going on a cruise for 2 weeks, and so I'm looking for a couple of cute outfits. One for like a dance, I need a cute dress. One for, I don't know, casual hanging out up on the deck. You know, you get the point. So you can tell them what you're looking for. In my case, I was like, hey, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I do YouTube. I like my clothes to be cute, something I could wear to film in, unless it's my jean and a bottle shirt. But I like cute clothes, but I want them to be comfortable, because as a plus-size woman, I don't know about you guys, some plus-size women, I've seen them wear all kinds of stuff and they stick to their body and whatever makes you feel sexy, ladies. But for me, I like it to fit me where it's supposed to fit me and be flattering where it's supposed to be flattering. And so I ask for cute and comfy. And to please keep that in mind, that I'm plus size and I want to be comfortable, and I don't want to be sitting there pulling at my clothes as soon as I sit down because I'm so uncomfortable with, you know, how they're fitting. So I worked with a stylist. They picked out, I want to say it was like 7 or 8 items. They sent them to me like via pictures, and then I go in and I'm allowed to pick 5. Okay, so when you pick the 5, they then will ship them to you. And then once they ship them to you, you open the box, you review them, you have 3 days to decide. And then once you decide, let's say you want to keep them all, you will pay the price for the clothes. Now, if you keep at least 3 garments, they give you a 25% off of the price of those clothes. If you keep 5 of the garments, you get 30% off. So that's something cool to keep in mind. So if you were maybe like, oh, I like 2, but I'm teeter-tottering on the 3rd, I still think it's worth it to keep the 3rd, because again, it's 25% off if you just add that 3rd item. But that's just me. I like to get the bargain. Who am I? But anyways, and whatever you do not like, they will provide you a return shipping. What am I saying? They'll provide you a package to return the items at no charge to you. And so I love that. You just have to do it within the 3 days. And on the app, it's very simple. You just click keep, or what you're not keeping, and return the rest. Okay, every time you sign up for this service and you say you want to get a package, there will be a $15 styling fee. However, the very first time you use their service, this $15 styling fee is actually waived. It's used as a credit towards the clothes. So if you decide to purchase one of the clothes or any of the clothes, the $15 will be credited into the amount of the clothes, okay? So anyways, I've said enough. Let's get into it. Let's see what they styled me with, guys. Keep in mind, cute and comfy. I wanted something that I could be able to wear and be comfortable in, but be presentable. So basically, I don't want sweatpants and a t-shirt. I want, you know, clothes you can get up and film a YouTube video, right? Or I can go to a PTA meeting if I need to, or out to dinner, something like that. Simple. I'm not going anywhere fancy, but I want, you know, cute. I want to be cute and comfy. All right, so here is their welcome package. Just says hello beautiful, and it gives you instructions. So it says, what's next? Try before you buy and purchase your favorites. We encourage you to try on every item your stylist has picked for you. To complete your order, go to the My Style tab on the Fashion app and select which items to keep and which to send back. Hit checkout to complete your order. So it's that simple, guys. Number 2, it says not quite a fit? Enjoy free returns or exchanges. Using our prepaid mailer, which is right here, return any items you do not want to keep. Shipping is always free both ways, so that's very important because we love a free shipping. Okay, let's see. If you need an exchange, which is very good because I was wondering about that, email us at, and it gives you their email, and we'll get you set up with the right size. And then number 3, it says save big on spending while you save rescue dogs. You have 3 days to decide which items to keep or return. Remember, if you buy 3 or 4 items, you'll receive 25% off. Even better, if you purchase all 5, you'll receive 30% off. For each Fashom box sent, we donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City Dogs. So that's really cool. So you're also giving to a charity, which I love. So let's get into it. Okay, so that's that. So I love that it's also a charity. I didn't know that, so now I know that too. That makes me like them even more. All right, so I open it up. It's packaged very pretty. As you can see, I haven't opened it. Okay, I love this. Oh, and they're going to ask you like what color, sizes, everything. And they do plus size, regular size, maternity, you name it. So, all right. What do y'all think of this, guys? Is that not pretty? Don't be paying attention to, I know y'all are trying to see the labels and see what size I wear. But that's pretty. I would rock that for sure, 1,000%, and live my best life in it. So that's a beautiful top. I told them I like accents in my shirts. Like I don't like them just to be plain. Like I like to have some type of either a cold shoulder in them or something, you know, where they're not just plain. So they honored that, and they have it open right here. So I like that a lot. That's really cute, and it's definitely gonna fit. I can tell it's big enough. I told them I don't want anything like fitting to me. I want everything to kind of have a flow to it. So I like that they listened. I hate clothes that bunch to me. It's nothing worse in the world to me than that. Ooh, this is pretty. This is, like I saw this on the app, but again, you're looking at your phone on an app. And I thought this shirt was like black, but it's so much prettier in person. This is a navy blue. See, it looks black on camera too. But it's a navy blue. It's very lightweight. Yeah, I love that. I would have bought that in the store 100 times. It's very pretty. I love the way it feels. It's got kind of like a, I don't know what you call it. I don't know if it's lace or whatever texture, but that's really nice, really cute. Now, could I shoot a YouTube video on it? Yes. Could I go to a PTA meeting in it? Yes. Could I go out to dinner? Yes. Is it comfortable? Yes. Will it be flowy? Yes. So did they listen? Yes. So that matters to me. Now this one I was worried about. Not because it's ugly, not because I didn't like the style, but because it's white. No, I didn't tell them don't get me white, so that's probably my fault. And the only reason is I am a stain magnet. I don't know if anybody else is like that, but leave it to me. I can put a white shirt on and I will find a stain in 30 seconds or less. So this shirt is actually beautiful. It's got the cold shoulder like I love. Who loves a cold shoulder? I do. It's ugh. Especially like if you're a bigger girl, like you like to show off what you can, you know what I mean? And for me, it's the area A to B. But anyway, so it's beautiful. Now this one is definitely lace. It's kind of got like a 2-layer to it, if you can see. This is gorgeous. So this would be a fancier shirt. And I don't know. I'm on the fence with this one. We'll keep going. And it's not because I don't like the shirt. It's only because it's white. It's the only reason. But it's beautiful. Like, if I showed that to anybody, they'd be like, that's stunning. I just know. As soon as I put it on, it's going to be coffee, something. Why am I'm my own worst enemy. My own worst enemy. Now this shirt I was really excited for. Tell me that's not so freaking cute. I love that. This is so Floridian. So I can wear this out and live my best life. But it's very like silky smooth feeling. Again, they have the accents. You see how like the collar does like this crisscross and then opens right here. I'm definitely keeping this shirt 1000%. That's cute. And I love the colors in it. Like, y'all wait till I do a makeup look in that shirt. Stay tuned. Okay, and then this is the last item. These, I don't know if I would have bought these myself, but then when they were picked for me, I was like, those are cute. So I kind of like having a stylist, like kind of put something together for you that you wouldn't put together for yourself sometimes. So they found these. I'm not going to hold them up so you can see the jumbo size. But anyway, look at the color of these pants. They're capris. And they're like this pretty like blush color. Isn't that cute? And I told them, like, keep in mind, if you get me pants, I want them to have stretch to them, like, and they did that, so I can feel like the stretch in the material. They also, let's see, where's my other shirt? They match this. This shirt has like the pinks and stuff in it, so that would look really cute together. Anyway, so that's my 5 items. Now I'm stuck with making a decision, unfortunately. Yeah, okay. Let me see what else is in here, because I think they put, yeah, I wanted to go over this. All right, so, oh, and the other thing I like is they ask you, and this is for people who like to have a budget and all those good things and worry about their money, which hopefully all of you do. They ask you, like, for shirts, what is the most you would be willing to pay for a shirt? Pants, what's the most you'd be willing to pay? Accessories, blah, blah, blah. And the list goes on and on. So they ask you that, and then they try to find stuff within your price range. That's really nice. Okay, so the total, if I got, okay, all 5 items come to $213, and they're really nice material, like good clothes. So $213. If I kept all 5 items, I would pay only $149.10, which is a really good price considering these clothes are all like really cute. I mean, you can tell they're made very well. So, more than likely, I'm going to keep all of them. The only one I'm on the fence is the white shirt. So, I don't know. But anyway, but it's only just because I'm a stain magnet. So, y'all let me know in the comments below. Is this something that interests you? Do y'all already get a clothing subscription? I don't. So, this was like my first time trying one. I've been wanting to for like forever. I see like all the different ones and I'm like, But what intrigued me about this one was the fact that they asked me my price range. That's what I like. That was to me like the selling point. Why I would use them again and again is because they actually wanted to know, hey, what's the most you would pay? And then that way they know what my budget is. So that's good. And they want to know my event I'm dressing for and all of that. And I can order whenever I want to. All those things are a plus for me. What also comes as a plus to me is I have a link, and I'll post it in the description below. And what that link will do is save you $10 on your first purchase with them, and it'll also give me a $10 credit. So if I want to use them again in the future, which more than likely I will because I'm really digging it, I'll have $10 waiting for me. Woo! Maybe you'll like buy half of a shirt for me or something. Who knows? But please sign up using my code if you're interested for sure. And I give it a thumbs up. I think it's a good company. I liked everything they sent me. I think what I would do in the future is just change my profile to say I can't do full white because that's just me. I can't. That's why I design my shirts with black because I already knew. And even if you watch my old videos, I'm always dropping crumbs or something. I'm just a mess. I'm a hot mess, guys. I swear. But anyways, thank you, Fashom, for thinking of me, for sending me a box to review. I really appreciate it. I actually really did love it. So who knew? Clothing subscriptions are where it's at. Saved me time from going to the store. I didn't have to look through tons of stuff and websites online. And y'all got me a discount. Win, 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 win. All right. So, till next time, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. Love you. See you later.